resale HDB. We moved in last year, 2021. And this house, the square feet is about 1,004. And yeah, 5-room flat HDB. Before they came over my house, but after that the home team actually they trying to like guide me step by step. And you know that first part, I think when you have to cut the wallpaper to make it align, the part is quite tedious, but after that you slowly hands on, and I think that I really have a lot of fun. I hope that next time in future I can just do it myself. Can come and follow me. I actually focusing on more to like food because I love to cook and a bit of selling of my house. And you know, my next coming small business, online business is called Favor Living. You can go and check it out because I'm starting to selling all the house decor stuff and also some kitchenware products. Okay, check it out. Bye.
Thank you. Yeah.